HDP20 and HD30 series. The HDP20 series is an environmentally sealed connector series made of rugged thermoplastic. It is circular in shape and offers inline or bulkhead mounting capabilities. Multiple arrangements are available to accept contact sizes 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. The HD30 series is a heavy-duty environmentally sealed multi-pin circular connector. The HD30 series has an aluminum housing and offers inline or bulkhead mountings. Multiple arrangements are available to accept contact sizes 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. HDP20 series and HD30 series connectors utilize the same assembly techniques. HDP20 and HD30 insertion. Begin with a crimped wire. For assistance, refer to the DEUTSCH contact video segment for detailed instructions. Refer to your wiring diagram to know which wire to insert into each cavity. All cavities are marked with numbers or letters depending on the design. The rear grommet is marked with pin or sock for additional identification. Grasp the crimped contact approximately 1 inch behind the contact barrel. Hold the connector with the rear grommet facing you. Push the contact straight into the rear grommet until you hear and feel a click. A slight tug will confirm that the contact is properly locked into place. Repeat this process until all of the cavities are filled. Repeat the same process for the receptacles and the plug halves of the connectors. Make sure to insert the contacts into the rear grommet. Please note that if you have open cavities, they will need to be filled with appropriately sized sealing plugs. HDP20 and HD30 mating. All DEUTSCH HDP20 and HD30 connectors are designed to be mated and unmated by hand. No tools are needed. When mating an HDP20 or HD30 series connector, grasp the plug by the locking ring and line up the mating receptacle. Lines are available on both connector halves as a visual aid to assist in alignment. Turn the coupling ring on the plug until the plug and receptacle pull together and you hear and feel a click. HDP20 and HD30 unmating. To unmate the HDP20 and HD30 series connectors, grasp the coupling ring on the plug and twist 1/4 turn until it unmates from the receptacle. HDP20 and HD30 contact removal. Hold the connector so the rear grommet is facing you. Using the correct size plastic removal tool, snap the tool over the wire so it will slide down the wire. Slide the tool along the wire into the cavity until it engages the contact and resistance is felt. Make sure you keep the tool straight and do not twist or angle the removal tool. Pull the contact and wire assembly out of the connector. If the contact does not release on the first attempt, pull the tool back out. Turn it 1/4 turn and reinsert it. Do not twist the tool with it in the cavity.